Hello, Sonia, and good evening. Here is that customized video you wanted from us. My name is Josh at Midwest Valley Marketing. We're located in Wisconsin, and this is that SEO audit I promised I would send over to you. One thing's first, I had sent you a message in this group saying that I had some concerns and some questions about this website you wanted me to do. I went into it, and I'll explain this here. Actually, I'll go into it and show you. Excuse me, on why I was confused about it. So I'll run over it, but I'm also going to go over your Seventh Heaven Greenery. Excuse me, sorry, I'm dealing with the cold. So the reason I had some concerns with this page is not the page itself necessarily. It almost seems like it's more of a landing page than anything. And it also appears as if this is just your landing page for your digital marketing empire, which is cool. I get it. You want people to register and sign up for your webinars and your business program. So I guess I couldn't exactly tell you how to run this just because this is more of a landing page than a website. But it does have the same backbones as any other website that's out on the internet. So with that being said, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go into this Seventh Heaven Greenery, because this is actually a service-based page, right? So you got a good intro here, good call to action, kind of. You got your name, your wedding. You do wedding venues, succulents for weddings, etc. Yeah, that's fine. Your phone number here, I see it is a click to call. Once my mouse kind of changes down there, maybe try making this a button and having a lot more buttons all throughout your website. Another thing I noticed too is that you don't have any content. And by content, I mean words. Not just any kinds of words, but key-rich words. Websites and Google's eyes need to have tons of content. Content is key, as we say in the digital marketing space. It's money to Google. So, sorry. With that being said, I'm going to go into my little tool. It's called Ahrefs here. It's a pretty awesome tool. It shows me what websites are doing analytically in Google's eyes. So what we'll do is we'll sign in here, and we'll take this website's URL right here. We're going to copy and paste that into Ahrefs. We're going to search, and it's going to give me a bunch of information. Or none. Very few. So you have 2 backlinks, 2 referring domains, and 1 organic keyword. So I'll go more into this, but what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to research some of your competitors, because that is the best way for us to gauge where you need to be in the online space. Let's see here. Where are you located? Lincoln, California. So what we'll do, we'll open up a new tab here. We'll go to Google. What do we call this? I gotta tip my tongue. What would you call this? Wedding planners. We'll say wedding services. Lincoln. I can spell Lincoln, California. So these are some of your competitors in this space right now offering wedding services. Whatever it may be. We'll go to this boutique one, sorry. This is lodging, I see. Productions, bridal boutique. Oh, you know what? Not even that. You're in the succulents and basically plants side of it. So let's see if we can find something. Oh, see there, you guys pop up. That's good. Let's do this. Flowers for weddings. Lincoln, California. Hopefully you pop up again. Yep, 7th Heaven Greenery. Cool. Okay, so this is probably a better one. So we're going to do Lincoln Florist and Gifts. What we're going to do is we're going to go to their website. Same thing as we did with yours. We're going to take their URL and we're going to copy it back into Eris. Slow computer tonight. Another thing you can do too is actually, look at all your competition in your area and kind of base your website off of what they're doing. And, as a consumer, you always want to think about what's the most user-friendly content on your page. And to this to a lot of people, just having flowers right there right away, that's catching. But I'm not here to tell you how to design your page. That's something that we do on the business end of it, but we just talked about doing an SEO audit. So with that being said, what we're going to do is we're going to copy paste. We're going to put this here, and we're going to look for all the same information on them. Yeah, see, they're stocked with it. I mean, not really, but compared to your page, they're loaded. So one thing we had mentioned was wanting to load your website with rich content. That meaning, keywords are what people are searching on Google, like I just was. Flowers for weddings in Lincoln, California, right? Those are all keywords in Google's eyes that people are searching. They have a ton of research and data on all of that. And so what we could do is we get to look here. So like florist, Lincoln. Sorry, I got a hoarse voice. I got to keep taking a sip of water. They got florist, Lincoln. They got high volume, kind of high KD. So that's probably not a keyword you would want to, look for. But right here, florist in Lincoln, California. It's kind of the same, but it's a little different. So that's a really high volume with very little KD. So you want to take and pick and pull apart and be able to find some sort of tool. Google also has a tool in their ads campaign website that you can actually search keywords just like this. So this is similar to that. But so we'd target a whole bunch of good keywords and load that into your website. As well, this is normally like a 5-minute video, but with the speed of my computer tonight, it's going to be a 9-minute one. Excuse me, God, that's gross. And we're also going to go in like backlinks. One thing we can do is figure out what types of backlinks that these guys are getting and types of backlinks that you guys are going to want. A lot of them that we like to target is called do follow. So we're going to go back here to link type. And we're going to go to do follow. And they have 743, which is freaking awesome, actually. That's insane. So these guys are probably going to be pretty tough to beat out. And we can go into each one of them here like this. We can figure out what type of backlink it is, whether it's a citation, whether it's a blog post or a blog comment, a guest post. We have influence, we have link juice. These are all different types of backlinks that we want to figure out and find that your competition has, and you want to be able to match them. Oh, hello, computer. Welcome back. Wow. Okay, so that's bizarre. But regardless, so we try to figure out what types of. Sorry, there was a massive computer issue going on there. I'm gonna have to edit a little snippet of this video out, just so we can get that back because that was bizarre. Yeah. Long story short, we figure out what types of links they're getting, what kinds they are, how much relevancy they have, how much power they draw, and then we would put those in your website as well as getting you a whole bunch more. So, with that being said, I apologize. This was a longer video. I'm going to have to do a little bit of editing just because we had some computer difficulties. But once you take a look at this, please feel free to reach back out to us. Let us know how we did. We always want to know if we're doing better. Obviously, doing bad is no good. So if we helped you out in any way, let us know. Hopefully it was. Have a good evening. Hope this helps.